Hi, my name is Annalyn, but I prefer to be called Ann. I was born and raised in the Philippines and graduated in Bachelor of Elementary Education. I worked for English Sam and had a lot of experiences as an English tutor. I would like to help you improve your English skills. In fact, it has been my passion and I've taught English both online and offline. I can teach you grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and whole lot more, whether advancing your career and studying for a difficult exam. Well, learning a certain language is not just about enhancing your vocabulary nor improving your accent, but it's about bridging gaps and using this language spontaneously because learning a certain language is not an easy task, but there are many ways to make it fun, easier, and exciting. So, in my class, you would expect that you're not just gonna learn, but at the same time, you're gonna have a fun filled moment during my class. So, I hope to see you in my class, and thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.